off and went today. Remember when you said you would stay with me to my dying day, girl? But now you have gone against it. Why? Oh, no. Because I need your love just like the air I breathe. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Can you just stay again, just like you said to me, baby? I really understand what you said to me, but I didn't believe it until you came up to me. Said we need to talk about a little problem, baby. And from that tomorrow